Good morning, this is SmartWatchSpecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, again, we are back with the Y22 Smartwatch. Again, this is just a continuation of our previous video, the installation of the support app. So this time we're going to install, download, and check the availability of watch faces for our Y22 smartwatch. Okay, so again, so this is a rectangular smartwatch. We'll see if we have a lot of options for downloadable watch faces for this smartwatch. Okay, so again, this is smartwatch specifications. If you have any questions regarding this wearable, please drop a comment below and we will answer your queries if we do have the time. Okay, so let's start. So we have here the smartwatch. We already have, or we already installed the support app here. So we have the DaFit app. Let's open it. Okay, let's see if we are connected. So we are connected. Okay, so we have here a section for watch faces. But before we proceed to this section, okay, let's check first the preloaded watch faces here in the wearable. Okay, so again, long press. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we have at least 5 preloaded watch faces. Okay, let's select this one. Okay, we have here beautiful watch face. Let's see if we do have other watch faces available in the support app. Again, we are using the DaFit app support app. So tap on the watch faces section and we have here. Okay, so we also have here the custom watch face. So go to more watch face and let's see. Okay, the watch faces are numbered here. So we have a lot of options here. So Christmas theme, I think the Lenten or beach beach theme watch faces will also be available, but so far more of a Christmas and New Year watch faces here. Okay, so you also have digital watch faces. Okay, so we have here April Fool's watch faces, Women's Day, what else? So more on the digital. Let's look for the analog here. Okay, we only have few analog watch faces here. So this one more of an Apple themed watch face. Okay, so as you can see here, it has plenty of choices for rectangular watch faces. Okay, I think it is more limited on smart band and circular type smartwatches, but for rectangular watch faces or rectangular smartwatches, there's plenty of options here. Okay, later on we're going to check or load the custom watch face also. So let's check this one, much brighter. Okay, so tap on it. Okay, tap on download. So here it is downloading watch face, automatically being pushed to our smartwatch. Okay, let's wait. We have a progress bar here, so it is fast so far. Okay, so we're done. So here, as you can see, the watch face is loaded to our smartwatch. Okay, so for example, if you want to replace this one, okay, so select and let's see, or maybe it's the custom, I don't know. Okay, let's check. more watch face. Let's see if it will be replaced by our chosen and new downloaded watch face. Let's get this beach theme watch face. It's summer. Okay, let's see. Okay, so 32%. So this one is might take time to download as it is full of colorful graphic here or graphics. Okay, we're almost done. Let's see. Okay, so we're done. Okay, so the last one. Okay, so this one they did not replace it. The last one is being replaced only. Okay, not the other watch faces here. Okay, so that's it for downloading watch faces. So let's go to our custom watch face. Tap on edit. Okay, so let's select. So we have a time position here. Okay, let's see below. Above time. Okay, you want to show the data here. I'm going to show the steps. Okay. Below time, I want the date. Okay. For the color, you can also change it to other colors here. Okay, so let's change. Let's pick this one. Okay, so that's it. For the images, select picture. It will load some images here. Okay, so gallery. So let's pick this one. Okay, just a temporary. Okay, check. And that's it. As you can see here, we have the preview of our custom watch face. Then save. Okay, so let's see. Okay, now it is being pushed to our smartwatch. Okay, let's wait. Okay, and we are done. As you can see here, we have successfully replaced our watch face here with a custom watch face. Okay, so that's it. Downloading and of course setting a custom watch face for our Y22 smartwatch. Okay, let's go back to this one. Okay, so again, if you have any questions regarding this wearable and of course setting up watch faces or downloading watch face and custom watch face for your DaFit app, please drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Goodbye.